Oh, hi. Hi. Ciao. This is Sandro Di Bernardo. I was born in Taormina, and I'm in love with Taormina. My father was in love with Taormina. My grandfather was in love in Taormina. The first thing I've done in my life when I was 1 year old was just driving on the main road as my grandfather desired. And I'm a musician, and they also give me very good money to work as a chef. What's Taormina? Taormina is a place of magics. I'll tell you two things that can happen living in Taormina. Living in Taormina is extraordinary. Working as a musician, being a musician many years ago in '93, me and the guys from the band, we were pretty young, and we wanted to be like the Beatles. We wanted to be John and Paul. And what happens? We met Ronnie Wood from the Rolling Stones, just having fun on the beach, and we became friends. And we did a show together here in Taormina. And it's crazy. You love the Beatles and you meet the Rolling Stones. What do? You play with a Rolling Stone, the guy who plays guitar with Keith Richards in the band. That was really crazy. Then he invited us in London and produced us an album. That's many years ago. Working as a chef, what happened? 2 years ago, I was working as an executive chef on a 5-star boutique hotel here in Taormina, and I had a privilege to work and cook for 1 week time for His Holiness, the Dalai Lama. And now today, I'm sure friends, colleagues, politicians that have been telling you everything about culture, art, history, everything about Taormina. Since Oscar Wilde in 1898 escaped from the bigoted England, a solid legacy with American people, English people, the literature, the poems, the writings, the arts, the paintings, everything happens in Taormina. And now, have a look, we're on the stage where everything began, at the Greek theater. This is the stage of Taormina, where history passes by and still have a welcome by here. We're on the stage of the Greek theater. The greatest musicians, rock and roll musicians. Mark Knopfler played on the stage from Dire Straits. He wrote down a song called The Lights of Taormina. And then Bob Dylan, Ray Charles, B.B. King, Robert Plant from Led Zeppelin, The Cure, Herbie Hancock. I can't remember all these big stars that have been performing on this stage, this fantastic place. Have a look. Even silence is a treasure. Enjoy. Still, Taormina is a place of magic. What is Taormina? It's the place where sometimes dreams come true. Why Taormina? Because everybody needs to dream. And in the end, Taormina is for the right ones. Ciao.